Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Raihana. In this video, I will tell you about the origins coconut tree from the province of Papua. Happy watching! The origin of the coconut tree. The story of the province of Papua. Coconut tree is a type of plant that almost all parts have benefit for humans. Plants that have the scientific name Coconusifera, including tropical plants, and can be found in almost all regions in the archipelago. Coconut tree has a story about its origin, which is a folklore from the Asmat tribe of Papua province. Asmat is one of the tribes in Indonesia which is famous for its expertise in making various types of wood carving. Once upon a time, there was a child named Sipriuk. Unlike other Asmat children, Sipriuk was very spoiled with his mother. Children his age were usually learned to study in the forest and learn other skills. While Sipriuk's father is a reliable hunter, every time hunting always gets results. That night when Sipriuk's father broke at hunting casually, they sat together to enjoy dinner. Sipriuk, it's time you learn to hunt and learn various other skills. But Sipriuk is still small. He's not yet ready to hunt. When I was the same age, I had not only hunted, but had also mastered making arrows and sleeping in jail. Jail is a special house occupied by unmarried Asmat men. This house must not be entered by women, while those whose age is not yet 10 years old are also not permitted to enter the house jail. Because you spilled him too much, he finally became a coward just to sleep in this house he did not dare. His father Sipriu finally went to Zeus' house together with other adult men. Meanwhile, the scarred Sipriu lived at home with her mother. Sipriu's fear is not only because of the distant Zeus' house, but also because of a uchu tree located between her house and the Zeus' house. It is said that as he often heard the tree of the grandchild was inhabited by spirits. The uchu tree is a term for a banyan tree for the Asmat. In that tree is indeed a spring dwelling place, but people think of it as a good spirit, because its spirit helpful and never disturbs. Even so, a coward who is timid still does not dare to be near that tree even during the day. And on that day, started tonight, Sipriu must live at Zeus' house. As a mother, you don't forbid it because it will violate customs. Of course, you know the consequence if it violates our customs. I and the Sipriu will be punished by the traditional leaders. I know this child is very timid, but at home jail, he will get guidance to the head of Adat. I'm also very embarrassed to have a boy who is. In the evening, Sipriu and his father walked to Zeus' house, struck the uchu tree. Dad, I'm so scared. Uchu tree dwellers are good. Don't be afraid. After Sipriu and his father passed the uchu tree, a pair of eyes saw them with astonishment. Why is that so scared? Even though I've always been kind to people. In the house Jew, as usual, the traditional leaders will give a twist or stories about the war of which to tell that encourages youth. Unfortunately, the scared Sipriu did not have time to listen to him. He immediately covered his body with tapin. Tapin is a kind of mat made of woven pandanus leaf. That night, Sipriu walked alone from his house to Zeus' house. Sipriu's father seemed to train his son's freak and forced him to go alone to Zeus' house. Once he arrived at the uchu tree, the scared Sipriu ran as fast as he could. When he arrived at the Zeus, Sipriu house immediately covered his body with Tapin. The scared Cypriu always ran when he passed the uchu tree. Jehu-Depot in the house lived first and did not listen to the traditional leader's advice. After that night was getting late, then all the residents of Jehu's house fell asleep. Not long after, that spirit Uchu came to the Jehu's house.
That cowardly child is really useless. I will take the spirit and that child I will make something useful.
Uchu's spirit enters the distant house and takes the Cypriu's spirit away. The morning.
Do you see Cypriu? Why he is not seen?
Cypriu still sleeping? He usually does not wake up late. Every morning he sleeps early and wake up the earliest.
Please wake him up.
Cypriu, Cypriu, wake up in the morning, Cypriu.
Although it has been awakened many times, Cypriu does not also wake up. Seeing the strange, Cypriu friends immediately called other tribal residents, including Cypriu's father and mother. They finally realized that Cypriu had died, and his father and mother were hit by extreme grief. The Dixie surprise was soon buried. All the tribesmen were amazed why did civilians suddenly die. None of the tribesmen knew the real cause of Cypriu's death. At night, without anyone knowledge above the Cypriu tomb, suddenly a tree that appeared strange in shape. The longer the tree is getting bigger and bears fruits. The next morning, all the tribes were surprised to see a tree growing on Cypriu's grave, a tree that they had never seen before. A tree that grew on eating Cypriu was then called Jisin or coconut tree in the Asmat tribe, when the fruit was called the Akiamakmak, meaning that the fruit comes from the dead. The coconut tree becomes a tree that has benefits from the fruit, stems, branches, leaves, and roots. Coconut tree one of the plants that has many benefits for humans.